Dear students, I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. It is an economics class. As in previous class, we discussed about the capital arrangement by the farmers in village Palampur. Today, I would like to tell you about the non-farm activity in Palampur. As we saw that farming was the main activity of the people in the village Palampur. Besides of farming, some people are engaged in other non-farm activities also. They are mainly dairy, a small scale manufacturing, shopkeeping and transport. They are main non-farm activities in the village Palampur. Let us discuss one by one about the non-farm activities in the village Palampur. First of all, we discuss about the dairy activity, which is a non-farm activity. Dairy is a common activity in families of Palampur besides of farming. What is dairy? To domestication of milk cattle and milking them and selling milk in different parts of our neighboring sites and neighboring villages or neighboring cities is called dairy. It means production of milk and milk products is called dairy farm. People feed their milk cattle on various kinds of grass like jawar, bajra that grows in rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, the nearby large village where 2 chilling centers have been set up by the traders of the Shahpur towns, from where the milk is transported far away to the towns and cities. Thus we see that people engaged in this dairy farming earn and provides addition to their familiar income. Then we come to the small scale manufacturing activity. Less than 50 people are engaged in a small manufacturing activity in the village Palampur. Manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple production methods rather than manufacturing takes place in big factories in the large cities or in the as well as in the small cities also. They are carried on mostly home or family labors. They produce goods with the family labors. Rarely, labors are hired from outside. It means in this small scale production manufacturing activities, the small scale manufacturing industries or activities have not to pay the labors hired from the outsides. Rarely they have to pay the labors hired from the outsides. They need very small capital also, procured from family savings. And thus we see that from family savings we can set up the small manufacturing industries in our locality and can provide employment to many people that can earn and supplement the family income. Now we discuss about the shopkeeping. Dear students, as we see in our locality also that many people involved in trade are not many in the village, in our locality. The traders of village are shopkeepers. Mainly, we see many people engaged in shopkeeping. They buy various goods from the wholesales, from the towns and cities like general selling, village selling, like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, notebooks, pen, pencil, even some clothes, as well as medicines also. They buy from the wholesale and sell them in the village